Welcome to Top 4 Earn $7 per click over and over again. Watch this video only if you want to know how to make $7.01 per click. The secret method to get passive income to your bank account. This 3-step process to make money on autopilot even if you have no skills or experience. The video you're watching right now includes the exact button you need to click that normal people would overlook instantly, that are pure gold, hands down the most slacker friendly way of making passive income you'll ever probably see. Exactly how many clicks you need before you make a full-time income. The completely unscientific but purely reliable way. I know what you want before you know yourself. If you've encountered this method before but you've said to yourself this is too hard or I don't know how to do this, I urge you to watch this video with your brain being completely empty. This website has a lot of different products that you can promote, and usually they're very high converting as well, so all we have to do is as you can see, you can check out the website right here, but you can click on login. I already have an account here, so I'm just gonna log right in, and now we're at the dashboard, and as you can see we have products that are literally launching right now that you can take advantage of. So if you want to sell a tube domination software or course, you can sell that right here. You'll make 50% of the entire funnel, and you can also see that I have made a 420 sales, really nice number on this platform. I actually made a lot more, but when you click on it those notifications turned out to 0, but right now I'm actually almost at 6 figures on Warrior Plus alone, so I've almost made $100,000 on this platform. I've used that money to travel the world, so now we want to find a high converting offer, so obviously you can look at the last 30 days and find like the #1 selling products right here, like affiliate robot search stomper. But if we just click right here in the top and then we go to offers, we can find a high converting offer. This is very important. There's a couple of different things that you want to look out for when it comes to these products. So first of all, you see the offer right here, search email starter kit, search traffics, and here you see release date when it got released. So this one actually got released yesterday, and it already has 2,000 sales. And my #1 statistic that I'm looking for when I'm looking for this is refund rate, because if the refund rate is really high and a lot of people are just giving back the product, now I don't want this. This is not what I signed up for. That means the product is bad, and if there's one thing you need to know, don't sell bad affiliate products, or you can, but then you're not going to be around in 2 years, you know. And you can see that the average sale of anyone that comes to this page is actually $33, which is really high, but this one is the one that we're looking at for $7.01 per visitor. That means every single click that you send to this offer converts at 21, and the visitor value is $7 per click. That's insane, right? And you're not gonna get to 50 of this, you're gonna get 100% of this, so every single click you make $7. But let's check what it's all about, how you can actually promote it, and at the end I'll show you how you can get a lot of passive income through these products. So the first thing that we want to look at, especially at the product page, is you can check out products right here. So here they have a big funnel, alright, and you don't want to around with marketers. Okay, marketers test every single page to optimize again and again to make you as much money as possible, because if you make a lot of money they make a lot of money, and if it converts really high, that's a win-win-win situation for everybody involved, right? And as you can see, the funnel right here is the main page, the VIP edition, and then they have an auto, and then they have an auto #2, and then have downseller auto #3, and then the downsell, and then they have off the other room 4, and then audio #5, and then audio #6. I don't know how much I like having 7 autos, but the thing is it converts, and you can see that this product compared to all the other products on the offer page converted so much more than a lot of the other products. And you can see that the commissions range from anywhere from $8 all the way up to $575, so literally you can make 500 right here. Now you might be wondering, what is actually this product like, what is it and what is it about? So we can actually click on the sales page of this product and check out what does it actually do for people, how do people get a value out of this. So obviously you can see that this is a solution for people that have problems with getting traffic, and you can also see that this is the world's first TikTok traffic app, autopilot traffic, and newbie friendly. All of this stuff right here, I can't tell you anything about it. I've not tried it. I don't even know what the strategy is, but it sells traffic. Now the important thing to know about if you're gonna sell a product that solves the problem of traffic is, do they have something to send traffic to? And I'm going to show you in a second how to send traffic to this offer right now, but I just need to show you this before this. But I want to explain that this is actually a higher level customer, and that the reason is because they're firstly aware of affiliate marketing, they're aware of online marketing, they're aware of traffic and products and all that, and maybe they even signed up to something like an MLM company or legendary marketer or a clickbank product they want to sell traffic to or something like that, but they're not super beginner newbies that have no idea what this internet marketing world is about. They've actually stepped outside a little bit and they're like, okay, now that I have a product, now that I have a funnel and email list or anything like that, they're like, how do I send traffic to it? So they've actually educated them a little bit more than a complete rookie. So an absolute beginner mistake I see people do is, like, let's say they have an Instagram page or they have a Facebook page and they're like, I want to learn how to make money online, and they're like, yeah, buy this one, the traffic secret thing. No, that doesn't work, dude, because they don't know that traffic is a problem yet. So you don't want to find complete beginners that's no idea what this is all about. We actually want to find someone that has some knowledge about affiliate marketing that we can sell this to, right? But how do we find those people? This aligns perfectly with what just happened, which is the ClickFunnels Traffic Secrets launch. And if you don't know anything about Russell Brunson or anything, it doesn't really matter, but what just happened in internet space was that he launched this book, and because of this book it was just a massive launch of hundreds or even thousands of people just promoted this book. And traffic is one of the things that so many people are really interested in right now. And before I show you exactly how you can find the perfect target audience for this, I would love for you to comment down below, I love this strategy. Also like this video and subscribe, because if you don't, we'll never be best friends forever. And I've heard so many times that you want to be my best friend forever, so if you don't slap that subscribe button and smash the like button, that will never happen, alright? And also stay to the end, because I'll show you every single thing that you need to know about this. So traffic secrets, well, these people that have bought traffic seekers are really interested in traffic. So what you can do is go to Facebook and then search for traffic secrets right here, and you'll find a lot of different groups that are interested in getting traffic. So here you have a list of 242 members, here you have a group of 3,000 members, and even more people that are really interested. Look, even this article right here got 12,000 shares. You can connect with every single person right here and ask them, do you need help with traffic? Is traffic something you're struggling with right now? Maybe you've tried Google or YouTube or a website or blogging or anything like that. Have you tried TikTok marketing? Maybe you didn't know that TikTok's his fastest growing social media right now. Maybe you don't know that super beginners are making a lot of money on TikTok right now. Maybe you didn't know that TikTok is kind of like joining Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was, $1, now it's like $10,000, So if you've been struggling with traffic, I actually found this software that it can purchase search. Now obviously that's just a sales example off the top of my head, but you get what I mean. You're not going to target super newbie beginners, alright? You're going to target people actually need traffic, that actually have some sort of knowledge. Obviously this is the beginner strategy. If you want the more advanced strategy, this is how I would go about it. So I would get people to sign up to an opt-in page, which kind of looks like this. This is my opt-in page. It converts like crazy, and then after they've signed up, you want to give them a lot of value, but you want to sell them a business in a box. Okay, you want to sell them something that is like, if you send traffic to this offer, it will convert and you will make money with this traffic offer, and then you sell that for like 4 days, and let's say they purchase that from you. So now they have basically a business in the box. They can send traffic to this offer and it converts, but then it's like, how do I get traffic? And then the next thing you sell to them is how to get traffic. Alright, this is why people get affiliate marketing so wrong. It's just like buy this, and they don't even have the problem yet. You need to know what problem they have right now, and that's the way you get rich, alright? You need to see people's problem, and then you need to solve their problem with obviously a good solution. And if you're having problems with affiliate marketing right now, I highly recommend you check out my paid course, Passive Affiliate System. It's the best course, but I want to say that the price is going to increase very soon. So if you've never been into a great affiliate marketing course that's really cheap right now, I highly recommend that you go in there and learn all the strategies that I'm using, with everything from the exact product you need to promote right now to make the highest commissions, exactly how to send emails that drive traffic to the office you want to promote, how to fill your email list with the hundreds and hundreds of buyers that actually convert, and how to make thousands of dollars from a YouTube channel that isn't even big. If you want to learn all that, check out my passive affiliate system. But again, the price of this product will increase very soon, so make sure you get in right now. But that is gonna be today's video. What did you think about it? Give me a comment down below, and also if you don't want to check out my passive affiliate system, I highly recommend you check out these videos right here. These are one of my best videos right here that you can check out. Just tap the screen right now, tap your mouse, tap whatever, or click right here or click right here. Thank you so much for watching. My channel name is Top 4 and I love you. Click right here, take care, peace.